Welcome to Algebra Prep Academy. The lesson for today is finding the standard form equation given the slope and y-intercept.
The standard form of an equation is ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are constants, and x and y are variables. In order to find the standard form of an equation, given the slope and the y-intercept, we must plug in the slope and the y-intercept to the equation y is equal to mx plus b, where m is slope and b is the y-intercept. Then we convert the equation y is equal to mx plus b back into standard form. In this example, we are given the slope and the y-intercept of an equation and asked to find the standard form of it. The slope we are given is -1/4 and the y-intercept is 9. If we plug this into the y is equal to mx plus b equation, we get y is equal to -1/4 x plus 9. We can then convert this into standard form by adding 1/4 x to both sides, therefore canceling out the x term and adding 1/4 x to the other side, turning the equation into 1/4 x plus y is equal to 9. This equation is not standard form yet because standard form can only have whole numbers in the equation. In order to turn this equation into an equation with only whole numbers, we must multiply the whole equation by 4, turning the equation into x plus 4y is equal to 36. In this next example, we are given that the slope is 6 and the y-intercept is 4, and we must find the equation in standard form. We start once again by identifying the slope as m and the y-intercept as b, and then we plug it into y is equal to mx plus b to get y is equal to 6x plus 4. Then we can convert the equation into standard form by subtracting 6x from both sides to get -6x plus y is equal to 4, and that equation is in standard form. In this example, we must find the equation of a line in standard form given the slope and the y-intercept. In order to do so, we must plug in the slope and the y-intercept into the equation y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. In this particular example, this gives us y is equal to 1/5 x minus 7. From here, we must convert to standard form. In order to convert to standard form, we must subtract 1/5 x from both sides, giving us the equation -1/5 x plus y is equal to -7. In the standard form, we are not allowed to have any fractions, which means we must convert all of the fractions within this equation into whole numbers, and in order to do so, we must multiply the whole equation by -5. This gives us x minus 5y is equal to 35.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.